This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your AirPods or EarPods or whatever you're using like this are not showing up under the Bluetooth section on your phone. So we can just swipe down, go to settings, and when we go to settings here, we can go to connected devices, go to pair new device. Now put your headset into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So with most of these, all you have to do is just take them out. It'll be placed in the Bluetooth pairing mode. But on your EarPods, you just have to hold down the button on the back. So the problem that you probably have is when you take these out, you have them connected to a previous device. So if they're connected to a previous device, you're not able to connect them to your new device because they're going to be connecting to that other device and they're not going to show up under this list. So here's my JBL Vibe Beam. I'll show you what to do in a moment. So we can just go to pair right now and connect them. So if they're connected to a previous phone, you just go to the Bluetooth section, go to this little dot right there. And we can go to this, so I'm done with this. So let's go to settings. And you can see the option to forget the device right here. So if you have them on a previous Android phone, that's how you do it. But if you have it connected to your laptop, your PC or something, you have to go to that same section on the computer and then go to forget and forget the device. Otherwise, they will not be placed into the Bluetooth pairing mode and they won't be able to set up on your phone again. Otherwise, you can look at your headset. Some of these headsets will have something on the case to activate the Bluetooth pairing mode or to reset them. Sometimes you have like tap right here or hold down on it or something like that, and that will reset them as well.